Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you're doing well. Islamabad day 4, and today I'm at Pakistan most prestigious institution, Quaid-e-Azam University Islamabad. This university is not only known for its academic excellence but also for its vibrant beauty at campus. You can witness here, and it has a huge and rich history, and it was built in 1967, which is after the name of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and nowadays it's the university is the most leading university for higher education in Pakistan. And when you visit at university, first the thing which you can witness, the Margilla Hills, you can see here. And the most important thing, which the second thing you are going to witness, is its huge area. I think it's the most biggest or largest university in Pakistan, which is comprises of more than 20,000 acres. So more than, I don't know about its the strength and etc.